what's up, y'all? We're getting ready to come out with this DVD right here on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe. It's gonna be called From the Hood to South Africa, man. It's gonna be an exclusive stuff, so make sure you subscribe right now and hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? That way you can get past the rent right here. Go. Alright, y'all, we live right now. Getting ready to hit this trip, you know what I'm saying? Got my brother here. Try to get the hair fade going, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get the hair tight for your ride, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So we're gonna try to do this right here from the hood. You know what it is? Alright, family, getting ready to go from the hood to Africa, you feel me? And, you know, I'm packed up, as you can see. First of all, we're gonna go to the beach, you know what I mean? Virginia Beach and stuff, and kind of cool out before we gotta catch our plane. But right now, I'm in the hood. Let's look around one good time. Just chilling, family. So we're getting ready to leave out from the hood to South Africa. Let's see what happens, family, on this journey as we take and learn right here on the Street Hype Entertainment Show. All right, y'all, we're getting ready to do this thing from the hood to South Africa, family. As you can see, all right, y'all, you know what I'm saying? It's time from the hood to South Africa, you know what I'm saying? Got things packed up. Got my water, you know what I mean? They ain't gonna let me carry that, you know that, right? It's all good. Let's get ready to pack up, family. Let's get ready to make this trip. First, we can go to the beach and take it from there. One love. Brother, it's nice here, as you can see. It's nice, pretty, steady, beautiful. They say it's wintertime where we going, so we don't know what's gonna happen here, family. We'll find out, though. Alright, family. We're getting ready to start the car, getting ready to go to, you know what I'm saying, Norfolk and Virginia Beach first. And, you know, just kind of chill out for a night, you know, relax your mind before you go on a flight. You know what? I never even been on a flight yet. We're gonna see how that's gonna work out, family, because I was always told if it's meant for you to fly, you will have wings, you heard? But in the meantime, let's get ready to crank up the vehicle. Get ready to roll out. Still in VA, you know what I'm saying, from the hood to Africa. So what I'm saying is, this is our scene. This is from the Blue Ridge Mountains. And we supposed to be going to Tabletop Mountains and different places, so, you know, just trying to compare the scenery, you know what I'm saying, fam? So from the hood to South Africa, family, that's how we're gonna do it today. So we're gonna just get a little footage of VA. This is our scenic view right here on the Blue Ridge Mountains, family. This is how we get down to VA. Let's see if the same thing. Getting a live video, man. Something don't happen out here. Trying to get an in-close view. Hoping people are alright, but you never know. I don't see us turning around anytime soon getting out of this mess.
Shit all over the road.
Yeah, it don't look like we're gonna go anywhere anytime soon, fam. Just better cut off our cars and chill. Shit is real out here right now. We live on the scene right here. On the way we're on our way to Norfolk area, like near Richmond right now. We're covering this live, fam. Live and direct. Just getting some of the footage. Like I said, we still on our way from the hood to South Africa, but we got a little delay today. It's all good. Got people running at full speed. I'm out here, actually with no shirt on. It's all good though. I'm trying to see what's the hype out here, man. During a tractor trailer done flipped over. People running everywhere. Hope nobody, you know, seriously hurt. But I'm mighty sure somebody wounded in this situation. She's looking very seriously, but this is gonna be like an hour or two delay unless we can get through there. But we're gonna find out. This time we up close and personal. And what it looks like, we got the back of What's that, the back of a camper? Is that a back of a camper? Is that a back of a camper? Is that the back of a camper? Is that a camper?
Yeah.
Ah.
The truck here just like ran straight into the camper, like never even saw it or whatever. But yeah, that's a camper, and then the truck, it's pretty well set. Everything, all that stuff there is apparently from the camper because the truck's a U.S. mail truck.
It's a U.S. mail truck?
Yeah, the man sitting over there, he's shook it up, but he's not leaning or nothing. I mean, you should see the front of that truck and leave it in, got nothing wrong with it.
Let's see what's going on. Thank you. It sounds pretty serious. This is the mail truck, fam. Somebody gonna get a delay on the mail. We are live on the scene, and it's looking serious. Got debris everywhere. Well, luckily this is on the back of a truck, not on the actual truck itself. So it's not one of them trucks to. And we like right here on the scene, seeing what it is. Wow. Okay. Everybody seeing. Oh wow. This is looking serious, man. Oh, man. You. Oh wow. It's real. Oh wow. Man. Oh, this is the back of the trailer. Oh wow. Alright, family. Oh, you was in front of him?
Yeah.
And you seen him? Wait, he just went over and hit him?
Full everything fly.
Oh, while we was trying to get over or some shit?
Because he was driving slow.
Oh, he was driving slow?
Yeah.
He didn't estimate the speed probably, you know?
Yeah. I passed the 7. You know, they was driving about 40, 45.
Oh, they were going that damn slow? Damn. I feel. When he got over.
He was passing too.
Oh, he was passing people?
Yeah. He was passing the other truck and trailer.
Oh, that one back there.
Yeah.
I see that. And that joint hit and boom. Then that shit just flipped over.
Look, I was in front of him.
Yeah, you got that right.
No behind him.
Yeah, if you were behind me, if you had stopped on it,
Right there.
Luckily, nobody else was too, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they got lucky too then.
Yeah.
That truck then.
Yeah.
That's what's up with that.
Yeah, I was like three or four cars behind. That was my red truck over there.
The red truck, yeah, I see.
I see the truck was like going in the. I just stopped and ran when I see that he flipped it. Somebody's gonna need help.
In fact.
I see all this stuff flying everywhere.
Yeah, when he hit it. Damn, but it was like an explosion. Boom!
Man, I wrong.
Damn.
Somebody was trying to get it out of the window on the top.
Oh, get him out of that window?
Yeah. I break the windshield.
Oh, you did?
Take it out of there.
Oh, wow. Alright, fam, like the action is pretty much cleared up. We about ready to keep it moving. As we packed up, we ready to ride out. We've been out here for about an hour and a half, man. I mean, it's been like mad long, you know what I mean? We're ready to make these moves, continue our journey right here from the hood to South Africa. Alright, fam, we done made it to the beach area, and we ready to go in the room right now. And yeah. Just before we hit the road tomorrow, we're gonna go out on the beach, and like I said, we're gonna chill right here. Before we get ready to hit the road tomorrow, you know, just gotta relax the mind for a minute. Alright, family, we right here on the beach, family. And like I said, it's quiet, and we're gonna relax and we're gonna meditate just before we make that trip. And for me, this is my first time ever on an airplane, so this is gonna be a wild thing in the morning, okay? But it's okay. We're gonna relax first. Breathe in the air. Hear that water? Beautiful. We're gonna listen to that and chill. Good morning, everyone. We're getting ready to make that trip happen today. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all last night we just arrived, but now it's a brand new morning. Let's go outside, see what it looks like. Oh man, beautiful day already. The type of stuff you want to wake up to, right? Oh man, let's look at it. See where we located it. Let me flip it around. Got the beach out here, family. Well, we're getting ready to pack up, family. And like I said, we're ready to go for this ride. Gotta hit the airport. This is gonna be my first time on the airport, and y'all gonna be with me as we, you know what I'm saying, have this experience together. Not only am I going on the airport, but I got a 30-hour ride for my first time, yo. Who does that? Who does that to people? But it's cool. We'll talk about that later. In the meantime, like I say, right here at the beach front, you know what I'm saying, chilling, getting ready to get on this plane. Got to, you know, pack up and do our thing. You know what I'm saying? Right here. How you feeling? Let's get ready to jump in this vehicle. All strapped up, ready to roll. Alright, y'all, we're getting ready to make this trip, you know what I'm saying? Going from the hood to South Africa. So if you want to watch this video and different clips of our trip, make sure you subscribe right now so we can get all the latest things when we come out with the different clips. You know what I'm saying? As the days go on, you feel me? As the weeks go on. Maybe once a week I'll probably throw out what really went down in South Africa, you feel? From the hood to South Africa. I'm a hood nigga that never been out the hood like this. You understand what I'm saying? Especially out of the country, past the borderline. So, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. It's like we going into you know, another barrel or something. You feel what I'm saying? You know, some things you never know what's going to happen when you get over there. But either way, you know what I'm saying? We can go from the hood, South Africa, right here. Subscribe for you. Make sure and like button, all that, for you can make sure that you oh, in the little bell thing. Yeah, make sure you press that too, because you know, we got to get notified when we start putting this information out for you. One love. We are here at the airport, family. It's some new shit for me, man. I never in my life. We trying to find somewhere to park and see what's hood. We got long term, so we're gonna be here for a while. I'm saying it's 94 degrees out here. It's hotter than Africa right here in Virginia right now. But we're gonna see what's up. Let's get ready to roll. We're at the airport, man. And you know I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, family, right here in the airport. You know I don't know nothing about this stuff, family. Let's see what's good. Alright, fam, I guess this is part of what you gotta do. You gotta do your check-in of your luggage. So we are trying to get the luggage thing going before we get out here and get on these planes. Alright, family, like I said, I'm new to this. He asking for my passport and stuff. Let's see how this thing goes. What I gotta do, lay it down? Like that with my picture or what? You know that? This. So I and then do like that. You never done this, you from the hood. Here we go. Let's see what's good. With airbags?
Yeah,
okay.
We gotta add how many we're gonna add. So
we got what, how many? 6?
you have 2.
Okay. 2, okay. And then what?
Okay, then we're gonna hit continue.
Do you have 2 all together or what?
No, these are the ones that go under the plane. The check bag goes under the plane. So you got 2 that
Oh,
go
I
under the
see.
plane.
Okay, so we ain't came back yet to get the other.
Right.
Got it. Yeah, we got it not been. We must be already here at the game. So we're going to Atlanta first, look like 4227. Then we're gonna go to the Netherlands, y'all. What the hell? What's the black man doing in the Netherlands? It's all good. What else we gotta do? That's it? Continue with 3. Okay. Gotta enter contact information. We're new to this. These are the things we're gonna have to do, hood, if we come through the airport trying to leave out, you heard? And it's gonna get strict by next year, yo. It's gonna get real, real. This is where we at today. Just for a moment. What up? Hazardous ammunition, car batteries, guns, lighter, refill. We don't have none of that mess. Oh, wait a minute, what else they saying? Alright, fam, we went to step 1. Then we gotta go get in line and do step 2, which is what? Checking our bags? Ready to check in our bags, and you know I don't know nothing about this. I'm from the hood. Ready to go to Africa. I'm lighting my loads from there. I can move around a little bit more freely. You know, I don't know nothing about these airports for real. So what's the latest?
We're gonna go up the escalator.
We're going up the escalator. She's saying we got to go up here and get frisked and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? Let's hope they don't, you know what I'm saying, be too hard on us. Real thing I think I heard was through customs. That's where they really have problems with niggas, you know what I'm saying? But they can really strip you down and maybe even down to your nutsack. But either way, fam, we right here. This is my first trip ever on a plane. Is I'm nervous? I don't know. What is that? You don't want to do it or not, fam, get on this thing. But we got the most important thing going, which is checking our baggage. And we're gonna relax a little bit right here at the, where we at? Norfolk International Airport, family. So big ups to them, you know what I'm saying? It's a lovely lady, Dawn, that helped us out, and she said she can continue helping us out throughout the flight. It's just a beautiful thing. All right, family. We're getting ready to go to customs and stuff, and not customs, sorry. Airport security. Customers are coming. I guess I'm preparing my mind for that. Either way, getting ready to go to security. I don't know what the hell is gonna happen. You know how brothers feel about security, right? But it's all good. Security, you know what I'm saying? Right here at the airport. This is my first time, so y'all bear with me. Let's see what happens out here. They got a lot for you to read before you get it. This is very interesting. You're almost there. You gonna catch him? You gonna catch him? So I'm telling everybody there.
Do you have that IDM plane card?
You need this thing here. And I take my computer out here. I'm a newbie, y'all.
Here's your camera.
We're gonna go ahead and get this thing on. And see what's good. I'm my own cameraman, so things look kind of shaggy. It's okay. Where we go? Right here? Okay. We're gonna sit right here, get myself together if I can get out of people's way. You feel me? And we right here live. I really need to get the camera to where I don't have to keep pressing the button. It'd be more convenient for a brother. All right, what's next? Because I don't know. It's time for us to do our Bible study. So if y'all want to join us, not this time, but soon. But we'll have our Bible study once we get settled and we get back with you about the trip. Okay. All right, saying they saying we're going to have to go through that little device thing right there, I guess. Stirring coke getting on my nerves, but it's okay. I guess we got to go out this door and then go out there in a few, once it's time for us to leave. Let's see how that's going to work. I'm feeling we will make something happen right here, right now. She was good. I mean, this is my first time. Look, I gotta go in and stand this long. Right here and get ready to enter the shoe. I never in my life. Let's do something. What I do, man? I'm stepping on. I don't let her lead on this. You go ahead and lead on it. Let me, because I don't know nothing about from this point. Like, feel me? Got me on the plane. Excuse me. She had me making this. Getting ready to land. Let's see what this experience is about. See, my speech ain't as strong because I'm barely hanging on here. Grew up and everything. Just get your laugh on. They ain't shit on myself. It didn't get that serious. I see what they're saying. If you meant to fly, you have hours. My next one is 8 hours. Then 11.
Preparation for landing. Please make sure your seatbelt is fully fastened. Your tray tables open locked. Your island is lowered and your seatbelt has been in upright lock position. Please make sure all carry-on items are securely stowed within the overhead bin on the seat in front of you. That includes your laptop computers.
The plane was being drove.
You feel better?
Me
Feel
too.
better now?
I still got 20 more hours of this.
Oh God.